guys, Shonirilla here, and I got something in the mail today. As you can see, I already unboxed it, so let's get right to it. So, I don't know what the heck this is. Wait, what the? Oh, what? There's glass cups? I got glass cups, too, but I want to see what's in here. This is really freaking awesome, the glass cups. Can't believe they sent us that. UPS sent us, Yeah, UPS sent us this to showcase another video. Because I think they really liked our video, even though we don't have a lot of subscribers. At least trying to get 500 subscribers today. Oh my god. Tell me this isn't it. Tell me. What the frick? Huh? What? This is so freaking cool. I can't believe it. It's so freaking cool. Oh my god, I got Pokemon! Pokemon! Oh man, this is the sucky ones. Oh no, tell me this is not the ultimate pack of them all. Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. My freaking holy snapper god. Look at this one. What? Oh, I got Pokemon. There's some in the back too, I guess. Yeah, there's some in the back. What the? Oh my god, I got Pokemon. I'm just going to have to end this video to play with them. So, hey guys, goodbye.